Welcome back. In this video, we are going to start creating the application. So I have my terminal being open here, but better still, if you don't have item 2, you can use the built-in terminal that came with VS Code. So I'm inside my home directory here or my project. So the first thing is I have to initiate my project, and I'm going to use npx create React app, and I'm going to name my iMovie, and I hit enter. Alright, after 100 years it has finished installing. So let me clear my console and open it in my preferred. Let me cd into iMovie, and there we go. Let me open it, and then let me make use of code dot and open it in my VS Code. Cool. Alright, there we go. So I like to delete the files I don't want. So inside the src, I don't need the app.css file. We're going to use our own CSS file. I don't need testing. I'm not going to do any testing in this application. And I don't need the logo.svg. Let me delete that. Let me also remove the report.byter. I don't need it in this project. And setup test, I don't need it in this project as well. So this one, oh, so I removed the app.js. So let me bring the app.js back. Sorry, this one is this one. I don't need the logo svg. I accidentally deleted the app.js file. Let me remove the report.byter, and I don't want the testing. Alright, cool. So our application will crash, don't worry. So let's go to app.js file, and then let's remove all the things we have deleted, the app.logo and the CSS, and let me remove everything from this div and just provide just a div, and let me give it h1 and say movie app. Save it, and then let's go to the index.js file. We remove the report.byter, so let's remove that. We also remove the, what else, this one, remove that, and I think that's about what we did it. So let's go to my terminal, and then let me run the application using yarn start. If you're using npm, it's gonna be npm run start. So let's wait for good news. Alright, I have an application, the finished one, running on the same port. So it tells me that, should I run this application in a different port? Yes, of course. So let me hit yes. That is why. And it's opening for me here. Alright, cool. So while it's opening, we are going to use Material UI for this project. So let's go to Google our friend, and then let's type Material UI. So by the end of this video, we are going to be familiar with Material. I'm going to tell you how to use Material UI and some component. Alright, cool. So there we go. So let's click on Material UI, the popular framework for React.js, and there we go. So let's also install the things we need. So let's click on getting started, and let's follow the installation process of Material UI. First one, let's install yarn add Material UI /core. So let's go back to my terminal. I would like to open this terminal, different terminal here for my installation. So let me open this one here, and let me paste the one I copied. So I will install this one, Material UI core, and the next one is, it says that if you want to install, scroll down here, and let's also install the icons, right? So let's select this at Material UI icons, because I want to append to this. So like that. And I also need Axios to make the HTTP call. So for now, let's hit enter. Alright, so while it is installing, first thing is let's wait. Okay, so while it is installing, let's go back to material UI and start coding. Cool. So the first thing you need to do is you need to create the navbar, this navbar here, and I think we can do this in the next video. So let's start creating the navbar in the next video.